Here we are in 2025, and if you've decided it's finally time to remove Instagram from your daily routine, let me show you the updated and simple steps to delete your account. Start by opening Instagram. From anywhere in the app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This brings you to your profile page. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Since Instagram changes its layout often, the fastest way to find what we need is to use the search bar at the top of this menu. Tap the search bar and type DEL. This will show you the option for deactivation or deletion. Tap that option, and Instagram will now ask which account you want to manage. Select the account you want to delete. On the next screen, you'll see two choices. The first is deactivation, which is temporary. The second is deletion, which is permanent. If you want to fully delete your account, select the delete option and tap continue. Instagram will then ask why you want to delete your account. Choose any option from the list. After that, tap continue again. For security reasons, you'll now need to enter your password. Once you enter it, tap continue one more time. You'll now be on the final confirmation screen. When you're ready, tap delete account. Instagram will schedule your account for deletion. Keep in mind that Instagram gives you 1 month to change your mind. If you log in during that time, the deletion will be cancelled. But if you're serious about stepping away, try not to let the temptation pull you back. And that's it, your account is now on its way to being permanently removed.